Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna open up Breo box. There should be a crate in here. This is the Breo box spring box. I skipped the winter box. I was not interested in the spoilers, and I didn't even know you could skip. I was gonna go cancel. That's how much I didn't want the winter box. But for spring box, I do like one of the spoilers. So I did keep my subscription this time and we did not cancel. I referred to Breo box as my bougiest subscription box because it is the most expensive subscription box. They come in really nice boxes. This is actually a crate, and we haven't had a crate in a long time. Is that what this is called? A crate? I think so. How cool is this? And it's a wooden slide on like that. We used to get them in boxes like this. I have different colors. I have red, I have this color, I have yellow. And then they started giving us a different one that opened and had a magnetic closure. Also still a fancy box though. So they do try to make the experience a little more fancy. I don't know about the products being all that fancy, but they are techie gadgets, and I've definitely got a lot of use out of many that I got in my past boxes. So let's start number one, or let's see if there's a pamphlet. So their pamphlet is also like textured. Let's start on page 1, and it was actually the item I was gonna grab right away. This was spoiled. I'm not super excited about it, but it sounds cool. It is the Rookie Smart Jump Rope. So you can sync it with a mobile app, and actually let me read what they say. Your Smart Rope Rookie may look like a sexier version of your childhood jump rope, but we can assure you that it's much more than that. Equipped with the ability to sync to your smartphone, the Smart Rope Rookie records your exercise data, jump counts, calories, duration, and goal achievement. Not to mention, the length is adjustable to accommodate any height. And this is $39.95, so right off the bat we have a $40 item. By the way, I said this is expensive. It's $159. If you stay with them longer, they reward you for your loyalty. So my current subscription is at $139, which is the lowest you can get it for. So the items like this, and I'm actually gonna pull it out so we can see what it looks like. It says matte black. So items like this with a higher retail value and that are like more techy. And I do think this box is truly unisex. And this is what it looks like. And this is adjustable. So you can see the little hoop here to adjust it depending how tall you are. I'm very short, so I will need to adjust it as short as possible. But looks pretty simple. I guess you have to charge it though, right? Wouldn't that make sense? This is something I will figure out later. But it is kind of a cool thing. I don't really like jump rope because I have a larger chest size and jumping is not my friend. So that's typically not the cardio that I choose to do. But it is still a pretty cool product. The next product is from Zippo. So Zippo is a pretty like well-known brand, right? They're a lighter brand. And this is the Heat Bank 3. It says for up to 3 hours of heat, and it's also a 2600 mAh power bank. I'm actually currently reviewing another power bank slash hand warmer, which is so funny. The verdict's not out on that yet, but I got it for review and I've been reviewing it. So when I know more about that one, I'll let you know. But I do like the concept, so it's cool that I got another one. I am always cold. Even in California when like the lowest temperature we get is like 60, I'm freezing. So this is gonna be perfect for that. It's definitely smaller than the other one that I have, but I can still see this fitting like my hands perfectly. If you had really big hands, I don't know, I have pretty small hands. Very cool though, double use item. So even if you don't need a hand warmer, maybe you live in an even warmer climate than I do, then you can just use it as a power bank because those are always useful. And the MSRP for this is $27.95. So already together, we have a $67 value. Next, we have something from the brand Corksicle, and I do like this brand. They create those cups that keep your drink hot for 12 hours and cold for 24, or vice versa. I don't remember. And this looks like a little cooler. It is a Nona roll top lunchbox. Interesting. It says it's not your typical lunchbox, sleek colors and buckle closure. Carrying your on-the-go meals can now be an aesthetic experience. Ooh, I love the color inside. That's so pretty. The roll top opening and flexible design means that you can pack for a snack or stuff in the leftover truffle pasta from last night's dinner. Oh, so I guess you can make it even tighter. I'm currently not going into work, so I'm not taking lunches anywhere, but I feel like one day that will be a useful item. And the MSRP for that is $39.95. So we were at 67, so we're at 107-ish dollars for this box. Still have not made my money's worth just yet. Usually one item is how you make your money's worth in this box. And if you don't like that item, then it's not really worth it. Looks like this time everything's kind of spaced out like 50, 50, 50 instead of like a $100 item and then a bunch of $20 items. This is probably gonna be a $20 item. This is $31. I don't know if I would pay $31 for a self-help, but this better be really good. But it says lessons on achievement and leading your best life. Well, we'll see about that. I don't think this personally adds much value to me, especially not $31 of value. So I am slightly regretting my box right now. It is called the Tushy Traveler, and it is a travel bidet. That's what it is. It's a travel bidet. So you fill this with water. This is so bizarre to me. You fill this with water, it expands, and then you fill it with water, and then you open this, and when you squish it, the water comes out like a bidet. So you don't have to be flexible enough to hold it behind yourself as well. I kind of want to try it because I think I will create a huge mess and this water will go everywhere. I don't think that I'm gonna have that aim and that talent, but this does not seem like a useful item to me as well. The MSRP for this is $29. I wanna know, this should be our question for the video, not what was your favorite item, but would you ever use a travel bidet? I wanna know. We can get some statistics in here. This is a weird item. This is a really weird item. They did not spoil this one either. I might have skipped the box if they told me I was gonna get a self-help book and a travel bidet that you have to manually use. I really used to love this box, so I'm really not trying to hate on it, but I'm trying to be honest here. And there are two items that I will definitely not be using. The next product is from a brand that I love. It is OXO. It's one of my favorite brands for kitchen items. Just super useful and they always work. We received something else. My first ever box, we received a cold brew coffee maker from OXO. Love it. So this one is their Good Crips Spiralized Grate and Slice set. I've never had anything exactly like this one, but I have had something pretty similar. Quick and easy meal prep with a twist. This is definitely an item that even if I didn't want it, I could regift this. I believe in their quality and I feel like this is a pretty good gift. The retail value they have for this is $31.99. And then we have the last item. This is so not what I was expecting for this box. I might cancel after this. I might cancel after this one, but it's Overrated, the party game that will have you asking to speak to the manager. I do like that they're putting games in here because we're all stuck at home. This is just not what I would expect from this box. I think I would enjoy getting this game in another box where I'm not paying $159 or $139, but this, it says, is MSRP of $19.99, which I think is pretty decent for a game. I would probably buy it at Target when it goes on sale, so I probably would never pay it the MSRP, but I do think that's an accurate MSRP. And this looks like a game that can be played, okay, so 17 plus, so must be a little inappropriate in here. It does say it's from the creators of What Do You Meme, 3 to 20 players. I will probably play this with my friends, so I'm not super mad about it, but it's just, this is not what I would expect from a box that I'm spending this much money on. I'm still gonna put it over here with the useful items. So let's figure out how much I actually made in value for my $139. Overall, the retail value of the box is $219.83. Plus I got this nice crate, which I will definitely use for storage. But if I remove the two items that I did not want, the retail value for me is $159.83. So if I would have paid full price, $159, I would not have made any more than what I paid. So I did pay $139, so I basically made like an extra $20 worth of useful products for me. I'll use them, but I don't necessarily think that I need them. So I don't know how I feel about the spring box. I'm definitely missing the excitement that I got from my previous boxes. Like there was always an item that I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got this. I got a drone once. I got a little herb garden from Smart Garden or Click and Grow from Click and Grow. I used that all the time. Now I have a lettuce grow. Before that, I used the Click and Grow. I got the cold brew coffee maker. There were just so many really cool things that I got. And there's nothing in here, not one item that makes me feel like, oh my gosh, I needed this. So this is a tough season because I feel like all three of my seasonal boxes, my FabFitFun, my CosBox, and my Breo box, missed the mark. I did not get my cause box yet, but I've already seen all the spoilers and it was hard for me to choose because I didn't really want a lot of things. Let me know how you feel about this box in the comments down below. Let me know your favorite item of the items that I received. I always like to know that. And let me know if you will use or will not use a manual portable travel bidet. I said that with as serious of a face as I could. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!